Based on research, Vybz Kartel is more widely recognized than Beenie Man. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very interesting topic today. Today we are going to finalize or try to come to a conclusion on who is the king of the dancehall. Because there's a lot of arguments going around over the king of dancehall between Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man. And now you have other people chiming in, such as Tony Mataran, such as Yellow Man himself, who was the original king of dancehall before Beenie Man. People are saying Beenie Man is a self-proclaimed dancehall king, while the majority choose Vybz Kartel. But before going into that, like, comment, share, subscribe. We appreciate the love, the support. My aim was to reach 1,000 subscribers before the ending of February, and you guys have made it possible before the month is even finished of January. And I want to say thank you. We appreciate it. We are giving away a brand new PS5. You don't have to pay to enter. We are just asking subscribers to share the video, and we will definitely be choosing somebody selectively, of course, through a raffle. We'll put a little buckle, shake it up, and then we carry it out. But yeah, so that's the main plan, just to show your appreciation. And I mean, 1,000 subscribers was something that I've always wanted on this channel, and we have achieved that. And it shows what hard work and consistency can bring. I don't think I put a lot of hard work, but I think I was consistent. So going forward, we're going to be doing harder work and be more consistent. So that's the aim for today. One of my biggest inspiration is DJ Academics. So if you guys are wondering why, I love music. Music is the soul of everything that I do, apart from God, of course. Please don't get all biblical and spiritual for me, no. But you get what I mean, no. But yeah, so that's the aim. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and enough of the talking. No. All right. So I have created a list of what does it take to be a dancehall king, and that list consists of, I call it Beenie Man versus Kartel. Them carrying us start well. Okay, we are going off stage performance, most hits, who has the biggest influence in the culture, most recognized artists of the genre, who Jamaica has chosen as king. Did Beenie Man choose himself as king while Jamaica choose Kartel? No, those are some of the topics. And we also have who has the most Grammy nominations. All right, so let's break it down. Number one, stage performance. If I was supposed to give somebody stage performance, I think I'll probably give it to Beenie Man, because Beenie Man is an entertainer. So is Vybz Kartel, but I think Beenie Man does a better job of entertaining when he's performing. So we're gonna give Beenie Man that one. All right. Most hits. No, when it comes to international, I probably have to say Beenie Man, because Beenie Man does have a lot of hits. But let's be 100%. Let's Google it. Who has the most hits? Beenie Man or Vybz Kartel? Let's see. No, Google says Vybz Kartel has more hits than Beenie Man. Okay, this is not something that I said. Google said it. Google, not me. Google. So that's 1 for 1. Vybz Kartel has had more hits than Beenie Man. Kartel has been a prolific hit maker in the dancehall genre for almost 2 decades. So Vybz Kartel has more hits than Beenie Man. No, who has the most recognized music internationally? That's a question. Now that's a question that stands for itself. Now a lot of people can say, who got the keys to my bima? Jim Zimmer, you understand? And we all know that belongs to Beenie Man. But however, we have to take into consideration that Vybz Kartel was also incarcerated for 13 years or 12 years and a couple months. So we cannot say that Vybz Kartel probably wouldn't have surpassed that level in dancehall. But however, Vybz Kartel has more hits than Beenie Man. Who has the biggest influence in the genre? I will definitely say Vybz Kartel. That's just my opinion. I think Vybz Kartel has more influence in the dancehall genre because of who he is and how. Definitely, this is a key point. Vybz Kartel is a controversial artist. So I think Vybz Kartel does have more influence based on good and bad. We're not going to take anything from Beenie Man. Beenie Man does have a lot of influence in dancehall music, in the culture. but I would definitely give that to Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel knows how to stay relevant, and he knows how to stay number one. Apart from his talent, I think Vybz Kartel has a outstanding personality that put him on the map of whatever he does. But we're gonna give that one to Kartel, me personally. So that's what, 2 for 1 currently. No, most recognized artist of the genre. No, that's something we have to Google. Who has? Now let's see. Based on research, Vybz Kartel is more widely recognized than Beenie Man as the king of dancehall. No, based on research, that is what we are getting. I don't want anybody to come at me and say I'm saying this myself. This is what we have researched. This is what we have come up with, and these are the analysts of music worldwide has come up with the answer, and the answer goes to Vybz Kartel. I don't think we have to prolong that any longer, because Freedom Street is the answer for that question. It shows that Adidja Azim Palmer is probably the best between the two so far. All right. No, the other question stands. Who Jamaica has chosen as king? No, if we can be very, very, very frank, I remember this back when I was younger. Beenie Man actually put himself as the king of dancehall, right? Nobody nominated Beenie Man to be the king of dancehall. I remember that was a big outburst back in Jamaica when I was younger. Beenie Man, that's why they call him the self-proclaimed dancehall king. But I would not take anything from Beenie Man. Beenie Man has done his work. Beenie Man has done his part in dancehall, which I would say, yes, he deserved the king. But let's be honest, if Beenie Man deserved the king, I think Sean Paul deserved the king as well. I think Bounty Killer deserved to be the king as well. All right, so I definitely believe it was a self-proclaimed thing between Beenie Man and Jamaica. But however, Jamaica did recognize Beenie Man's hard work, talent, and gave him the king of the dancehall, and we all agreed. Nobody disagreed with that. You understand? So I think the majority have chosen Vybz Kartel to be the king of dancehall. That's just my personal opinion, and it is evident. You understand? And I think it was also inevitable that Vybz Kartel would become the king of dancehall, because nobody does it better than Vybz Kartel right now. You understand me? Imagine being incarcerated and still running dancehall music. Right? One real boss. But did Beenie Man choose himself as king while others chose Vybz Kartel? When I say others, I mean Jamaica, and I think that is a question that is not even supposed to be asked. I definitely think that Jamaica has chosen Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel never chose himself. Jamaica said, no, I king of dancehall. You understand? Prolific members of the genre has come up and said, yes, Vybz Kartel is the king. It is undeniable. You understand? But of course, you're gonna have other people who are hating, saying that no, shouldn't get this, shouldn't get that, and this and this and that. Rodney Pride has given him the crown. So what's the matter? What's the matter, Beenie Man? You were the king before, and now there's a new king. It's the same like you and Yellow Man. Pass it over, it is good. You are not even doing any music currently. You don't even have any music. No hits, no nothing. You're just chilling now, living off the hard work that you have done. And we appreciate your hard work. But we're not gonna sit down and make you bring up some foolishness about one king, one crown. No, Beenie Man, we get it. You were. Just like how Yellow Man was. You were the king. Give it to Vybz Kartel now. Alright, no, I definitely think Jamaica choose Vybz Kartel. I definitely believe that. That is just my personal opinion. No, who has the most Grammy nominees? No, I have done the research for you guys, and I brought it to you because I want to come to you. But however, Beenie Man has 3, Vybz Kartel has 1. When I researched it, that's what that came up. I'm not sure if it changed recently, but I did this a couple days ago. But Beenie Man has 3 Grammy nominees and Vybz Kartel has 1. Does that make Beenie a bigger artist? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. You understand? And I also remember Vybz Kartel was also incarcerated. Vybz Kartel couldn't be nominated for the Grammys because he was incarcerated. So now that he's out, he's nominated. You understand me? And he's also putting a petition to get back his visa to attend the Grammy Awards. So with that being said, I want you guys to comment down below for me, please, and let me know what you guys think. Do you think Beenie Man or Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall? Personally, I think Vybz Kartel is now the personal king. of dancehall, the one and only. Now, if you guys know me, you guys know I don't as my artist, and I will never be a hypocrite when it comes to giving people their flowers. Vybz Kartel has always been a #1 figure in dancehall music, always. No, does that mean I don't like Vybz Kartel? No, I love Vybz Kartel music. I love Vybz Kartel as a person. You understand? Because he's real. You understand me? No. Is he a good person? I don't know. I never met this man before. I never talked to this man before. Met this man on a friendship. So now come out and say, oh, he's a bad person. I say people are judge Vybz Kartel off what other people are saying. You understand me? So, with that being said, I think Vybz Kartel has won this one. Beenie man, we appreciate your support, your love. Yeah, we appreciate everything you have done. But I think it's time for you to pass the baton down to Vybz Kartel. And I think it would be a respectful thing to do. And we all appreciate you, Beenie. You understand me? So please, like, comment, share, subscribe. Give your thoughts down in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Alright, if you guys agree with me. You understand me? So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.